Okay, guys. Today we're gonna see if um today guys we're gonna see if today guys if we can see if parrots make babies. I know this is really rare to catch, but okay. Yeah, let's go in one of these small shacks and then yeah, we can pick it up later. Yeah, okay, now I just need to figure out. Okay, I just broke through his bed. Bruh, he has like, half the window. I remember when I used to have cold series, but bruh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay, spawning a parrot, guys. Okay, we got two. Oh, they need to be the same. That's a problem, guys. That's how they only breed babies, because, bruh. Oh, if you time them, that's not gonna work. I'm so sorry. Okay, now what you need to do is don't get the same, please. Just get. Oh, where are you? Go, thank you. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Okay, block that off now. But yeah. Okay, I see that. Oh, I got the same. Are these just... Alright, let me just do that again. Are you gonna breed or what? Okay. So guys, what have you got here? You've got a male. Time both of them. Oh, sorry, mate. Oh god. Oh god. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Come on. Come back. You. Now, all we just need to do is white.